You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. Founder or co-founder, is it, of the WWE, American politician. If you want to learn more names from American politics and more confusing pronunciations, stay tuned. Linda McMahon. Essentially, yeah, you can ignore the H and the O in her name and just say it as McMahon. So it's not McMahon or Linda McMahon. It's much easier. And now you know Linda McMahon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.